Anybody know what that is? Jalen?
It's an electronic trap primer, and it has a solenoid valve in it that automatically is on a timer. It allows water to go into a floor drain, which isn't usually without a trap primer. It's usually, what's the word I'm looking for? It
Yeah,
can evaporate the trap in it,
yeah,
and that's what that's used for.
you rock.
That is correct.
And it's serving about, I think it's four. It was four here. And every so many minutes, you set the timer and it discharges water into the floor drain trap. So that's what it is. Now, that's a pretty expensive one. There's some really, really cheap ones that they're all not even worth putting in. So when inspectors go on jobs, they like literally know by some of the things you install whether or not you were low budget on the job or you really cared about your craft.